Paprika's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you how to make veggie patties. This recipe is my very own and original recipe. Everything in this recipe from A to Z is very healthy and very delicious, and most important of all, this recipe is very easy to make. So I'm going to be baking these patties in the oven instead of frying them, and the ingredients in these patties are very delicious and very healthy, as I mentioned several times already. So I am really excited to share this delicious recipe with you all today. If you're looking for something very healthy, this is it. So please continue to watch. I'll be back and show you how to make these delicious veggie patties from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. veggie patties. They look very good. They smell really good. I have lots of lettuce here. So for those of you who don't like to use buns, you can use the lettuce wraps and wrap your patties in lettuce wrap. They are huge, giant patties. Oh, I broke one. So I'm going to try it right now. Wow. Wow. So delicious. So delicious. I'm telling you. As I was saying, you can wrap it with the lettuce, put some tomatoes. If you like cheese, you can add some cheese to it. You can put whatever vegetables that you like. Look at this. Look at this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. This is healthy, and this is very, very delicious. I'm going to have another bite, and I'll let you guys know. This is out of this world. Very delicious. As I said in the beginning, that I was very excited to share this recipe with you. Try this recipe. Very delicious, easy, and simple. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Love you all.